Hello everyone, I am Hossein and in this video I'm going to show you how to use control flows in C#. We use these control flows in loops so you can control the flow of your loop. The first thing that I'm going to talk about now is continue. Assume that if I write continue in here, the only thing that will happen is that once our application runs, the execution pointer comes to here and then it doesn't run this line of code. So now if I write if I was greater than 3 and then writing this continue, what will happen? If I reaches more than 3, the execution pointer will never reach to this line of code, but it won't quit the loop though. It will continue the loop up until here, and then it will go back to here. Let me just start debugging of our application right now to see how it goes. Let's see, I is 0. Now it just runs this. Next time it's, now it's 1. It won't continue. 2, it writes this hello world right now. Now it's 3, but not more than 3 or greater than 3. And it still continues, comes to here. It's now 4. Now this execution pointer shall reach to this point, and then do not execute this line and just continue the loop. Now we know what continue does, but what about the break? Break, if the execution pointer reaches this line of code, it will break the loop and will continue from here. Let me just write this console by world. Let's run. I is 0, I is 1, I is 2, I is 3, and now I is 4. It will reaches to this point. It won't write this line of code, hello world, on the console. It just breaks and then comes to here and then writes by world. That easy. The other control flow that I'm going to talk about is return. When we write a return, you're all familiar with this, but for the sake of simplicity, I'm going to talk about this. When you return, if this comparison evaluates true, it will return from this point and will not even continue to this line of code, right? That easy. Let me run this. 1, 2, 3. Now 4. It will reach to this point, and it will never touch this line of code. See? Continue. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, I'm going to talk about classes in C#, and how to make them, what is the object, what is the class, what is the type, all of this stuff. Leave a like if you like this video. Subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be notified once we publish our next video. Thank you.